So hi everyone, so we are Talukas from indiantentmanufacturers.com, and today I will make you aware regarding the different materials which are used in a tent. So since my childhood I always thought that canvas are used just for painting, but it's not just for painting. Of course, it's a very good material, it's a breathable material, and thus it can be used for its sturdiness, and it is used on the roof of the tents, on the walls of the tent, and thus it gives a very luxury effect to the tent as well. So there are different type of canvas which we should know about if we purchase a tent. So for example, there are majorly three types of cotton canvas. So one is purely, which is cotton, 100%, it's a natural fabric, so it's 100% cotton. Other one would be polyester, which is a man-made, and the third one is the mixture of both cotton as well as polyester. So coming up to the cotton canvas fabric. So cotton canvas fabric are basically it is 100% cotton, and it is what we use is 2x14. Now 2x14 is 2 of number 14 threads which are being twisted together, and then this woven fabric is made. So we treat this fabric as a water repellent as well as antifungal, and the GSM of this per square meter would be 370, which is almost 13 ounce, and it is mostly used for the umbrella layers for the walls of the Swiss cottage tents, and that is how we use them. Yeah. Yes. Now if you want to make some Mughal tents or the canopies or some resort tents, now what kind of material you need for that? So for that you need poly cotton canvas. Now what is a poly cotton canvas? In this majorly you have polyester and then less amount of cotton, and then you make this fabric polyester, which is a woven fabric. It is generally made up of 2x12 this thing. Now what is 2x12 again? So two threads of number 12 yarn is being twisted together to make such nice fabric. So this is mostly used for Mughal tents. Why? Because we treat them as a water repellent, also as antifungal. It is strong, it is sturdy. The amount of water cannot sweep inside so easily. So these are the major qualities. Also the weight per gram is per square meter is almost 400 GSM, which is almost 13 ounce, and it's a very good fabric to make all your tents requirements. So last but not the least is the polyester fabric. Now polyester fabric is 100% polyester. It does not have any cotton material inside. It is 2x15. Now 2x15 means again the two times of 15 number thread is been twisted together to make this woven fabric. It is a very strong fabric. It is used as a middle layer. Middle layer is from the canvas and the printed sheeting. In middle of that we have this fabric. This helps not, this does not allow water to come inside. It is a very good fabric, but you cannot take it as an outer layer. Why? You can take it as an outer layer, but though it is a very shiny white material, it does not give you a very luxury effect. So you should better opt for a middle layer, and this fabric can be dyed to any selected colors. For this you need obviously large quantity to make it dyeable. And rest is all good. Thank you. And if you have any queries or questions, or you want to have some information regarding the different types of fabric which can be used for making tents, please let us know. We are available on Instagram or any other social media. And rest is all good. Thank you and have a good day.